Yeah, you can see it. What? That was funny.
That would not have
was funny.
surprised me at all.
He already bailed. Hey, Dubsy.
Hey, man.
Have you had any problems with OBS, just like recording game audio or something?
No.
Video.
No.
I'll have to fuck around with the settings. I don't know if it's doing it right now, but when I was playing Valorant, it like recorded some. It recorded the audio from Discord the whole time, but
You do have to see, like,
nice, no mines.
I don't see any.
Or no, you
take down. I'm just
Yeah,
south
you
of
guys-
that last base we were at.
You guys
Yeah,
are probably gonna want to blow in as soon as you can.
get ready.
This is gonna be so sketchy.
Get up there, get up there. Oh my.
Max, we should probably hide the truck somewhere north along this white.
Hold on, let's wait for them to get here. Now that we got that open. See anything?
See one
Play
more.
more.
Okay, fuck.
You need us to bring more explosives. Yeah, if you do a quick peek, might take a couple tries.
Otherwise,
Single fire.
When we blow in that foundation, it might just take that out too, depending on which foundation we blow up.
Well, no, we're gonna have to hide.
Got it? Oh, nice.
We're gonna have to hide behind.
Where
Yeah,
exactly is this
jails.
base? Is it south of the
Oh,
B3?
someone else is over there.
Parachuting?
Yeah, northeast. He's coming straight.
Oh, we're getting
Get
shot at.
That's probably fucking deadly. Isn't it? I want to shoot this one.
You hit the gap there, Dusty.
That's what I was aiming for.
All kinds of good shit.
Throw that
in there.
GL. Hit the GL if you see beds.
Yep. I got
It's
a
the
flash.
big beds though.
Oh, you got plant grenades on it, basically.
Oh my. Oh.
Should I flash it? Should I flash it?
Yeah, I would. And then we'll just rush.
I'll throw one the other way, mate, or... Oh, I got flashed.
Oh my good shit.
Whoa.
Where was he?
Good fucking shit. I just heard him and I was like, oh, I'm so fucked. I was in the middle of picking.
Did he spawn in?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's right here.
I'm
This door's
prepared for
open.
this.
This door's open. You ready?
Yep.
That's the next way down.
Need a Phoenix here?
Nah, I'm good. I don't know what the fuck he was doing. Alright, just watch this door on me.
Watch the beds.
Yeah.
He's back.
Yeah, I'll watch this one.
Plane comes from this way.
He's got me, he's got me, he's gonna shoot me, shoot me. Oh, good shit. Good fucking shit.
Oh, where's that from?
He's right in here, he's to the right. You open this door, he's to the right.
Oh, I didn't know there was a room in there.
I neither.
Yeah, he might be able to come out this door too, though.
Oh,
If you want, just be careful, cause dude's got a gas mask. If you can get it on yourself, that'd be fucking nice. If you want to close that door, I already picked the locks on it. If you shut the door, drop behind it, and search dude's body with the blue backpack. I think he had a
I got
mask
you.
on him, didn't he?
Where did that other guy come from, Dusty?
right here.
Oh, fuck, that's-
door.
He's in
But
there.
look,
Yeah, I thought it was outside.
look, there's another door here.
don't
though,
have
So I
shit.
think you might be able to come out this both sides.
This
of that
one
room there.
shows like the hole shows outside, so this one's the same.
All right. Yeah, open it and back up.
I got a flash too.
Okay. Oh, I think I see him.
Can I throw a flash?
no,
I got a bunch
First
of
over by you.
All right, this thing's open. Where's that water? It's
Sit on the
empty.
ground. No, this one right here.
Okay. All right, if you guys want to push that away, but I'm gonna rinse.
Wait. Switch, you're probably gonna. I'll open the door because it's gonna swing in and to the left, like your way. So if he's stuck behind it, or you'll be able to see him and get a clear shot.
I got you.
Okay,
Ready.
ready? All right, I'm gonna open it and back straight up.
Clear. I can't see.
Yeah, so watch behind that door. He must be underneath
must-
right here.
Yeah, he must just
Here,
hop right
and
back
just
up.
jump. Yeah, here, I'm gonna pick this door then. There's one down low, Cal. Sounds like you're on it.
Got him.
Yep.
He's gonna spawn up here though, guys. Watch Welfare, you got those beds?
Hey, this
Yeah, I got
this,
him.
this door's open here. This door's open. Oh, what the fuck? This goes outside.
So this is the way out?
Oh. So there's no door there. Alright, so we just gotta go down here, I guess.
Hey, they were moving around. What?
Yeah, they relocked this.
There's
So
a
they
guy
were
about
down
to
there.
spawn in too, gamer. I don't understand how that dude jumped back up there. They have something to stand on, maybe? Oh.
And relock that door.
Nice.
You think he's got a starter card? You guys
About
searching
to find
before?
out.
You're watching the jump up, Dusty?
Yeah, I'm watching that. I left the door open. Can't just sneak in there and lock it in.
Another one.
Good shit. I could not back up. Holy fuck, bro.
Who was that?
Scared the fuck out of me.
Cat,
Are
did you
you-
hear that shot that was over here?
No, I didn't hear that one.
Is there another door?
Over by you.
Yeah.
Want me to move to you?
I don't know. I'm gonna go see. Check it.
There's
Walking outside on grass.
Which
You
way
don't-
was it from you?
you guys don't want to use the
Southwest.
grenade on these beds.
I think it. Yeah, it's west side of the base.
And it's- Open it, and then try to close it. Hold on, he sounds like he's right fucking here. Alright, here. Open and then close.
I got you.
Here, open it. You open it. Oh fuck, close it, close it. It blew up in my hand but didn't flash us. What the fuck?
Flash me.
Yeah, it's
Oh, how it flashed us way the hell up here.
Alright, ready? Go, 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 go. Open and close.
Ah, shit.
Took too long. Yeah, same.
I can't
So we die.
see.
Are you guys
I have
flashing
no
or-
idea, my
Is the
screen
door
is
shut?
white
Yeah.
as fuck. Oh, what
They
the
don't know
fuck?
that.
Alright, fucking hey, bro. Alright, take 38. Alright, and open. Close. Close, close, close. Got a hole down here of some sort. You ready?
you went to my
Okay.
left.
You're on full auto?
Yeah.
He's right there in front of the door. You ready?
Okay. Yep.
Hold on.
Alright, at least I'm coming back up too.
Watch the plate.
Oh!
Uh-oh.
Just kidding.
What was that? Mine? I have clippers. I
Someone running southwest side of the base. Coming straight south side.
Oh, yep.
Oh, I got him.
Oh, nice.
You killed him.
Alright, I'm gonna try to shoot this mine.
Who just died?
Found it.
Not that, it's them.
Nice shot.
Beat his ass.
He's gonna die to a mine. Oh,
Hit
okay.
one.
That's what I was waiting for. He was probably trying to lead him into one.
Yep. They're both right here. Oh fuck! That third one that rotated around is running by me right fucking now. That bitch ran right through the bush that I'm fucking hiding just
I'm not
outside.
seeing nothing.
So all three are in the town.
I got a puppet on me.
Better run.
We got north.
Is that you shooting or them?
That was them. See one to your west. Okay. Got one.
You kill one?
Yeah.
Where's his body?
Good hit.
Yeah, where was dude's body? I can grab a gun.
South of the main road. Just come to me.
Right on you or no?
Yeah, he's coming.
Oh, the dude that you killed.
Oh, it's a fist fight.
Did you get him?
No. Come to me if you can. You're getting fucked up.
Fuck me.
What a mess. I got him. Oh,
Oh, no fucking way.
that happened. Dead.
Never seen that name before either.
Got AK. Another one coming from police station east. Tagged him.
Got him, Fernando.
Nice.
There was one more, at least one more over there. Okay,
think-
so
yeah.
that should have been all of them.
Lewis Mikata, right? He's coming towards
Yeah.
you. Gray suit, I should have shot him. He's right by Lewis. Lucy.
They're right on us. We let him get past.
You got that one?
Nope. I'm tagged. I got him.
There's one more, there's one more. There was three of them right here.
If you come this
Grab
way,
dude's gun.
One's running to
north.
the base.
I'm coming back.
oh,
Nah, we got some
I'm
extra
not.
guns here.
I'm dead.
yep, going back south. Oh, going back.
Got him.
I think I'm out of
God
ammo.
damn it.
You got him?
Yeah, I got him.
There's one more.
I just saw the one body.